look, my opinion's changed. So I thought I would share it with you guys. So make sure if there's something you disagree on, tell me in the comment section down below. Now, let's get into the video. In God tier, we have Commando Corn and Colonel Corn. Now, they weren't in there last time, but I've been playing around with every character in the game recently. My opinions have changed. We have Agent P and Electro P. Same as last time. They're back. They're cool. Captain Cannon was here last time. Captain Partyman, I've liked a lot more now. Party Necros was already here. Party Rose added. Yes, I think Astronaut is God tier. Yes, I think Scuba Soldier is God tier. And yes, I think Stuffy Sunflower is God tier. In the insane category, we have Frozen Citron, Party Citron. We have Bandit Cactus, Future Cactus, and Zen Cactus. We have Hot Rod Chomper. We have Mechanic. We have Skywag Imp, Party Imp, Hover Goat, 3 Pea Shooters, Captain Deadbeard, Shark Bite, Rose, Druid Rose, Fire Rose, Frost Rose, and pretty much every scientist there. Well, most of the scientists. There we have most of the foot soldiers. Tank Commander, just it's a bit good. Sunfellow is back in this tier. Same with Vampire Flower. Now we have a Mop Cob and a Popscorn. We have Power Cactus and Ice Cactus, Petrified Cactus, Count Chomp, 3 of the Imps, Torchwood, 4 Pea Shooters, Captain Flameface, Archaeologist, Physicist, Shadow Flower, Dr. Toxic, Camera Ranger, Centurion, Arctic Trooper, Power Flower. Here we have Twilight Chomper, Disco Chomper, Power Chomper, Chomp Thing. Pretty much most of the engineers. And based on Flower. Yay! BBQ Corn, Chomper, Fire Chomper, Armor Chomper, Toxic Chomper, Unicorn Chomper, Yeti Chomper, Engineer, whatever his name is, Mystic Flower, whatever his name is, Welder I think, Little Drake, and hang on a minute, Metal Petal, you stay there, but Alien Flower, you're in good. Then you just note here. Characters which I just know who I don't play with these ever. So we have Electricity and Cosmic Rays. God. Let's just talk about some of the characters who have had a major change. That includes the Centurion, who I have been playing with a lot recently. So yeah, you're there. Hover Goat's had a bit of a big change. I just prefer him over Torchwood. These 3 cactuses, the Bandit, the Future, the Zen, they've changed spots quite a lot. In the next video, we are going to be looking at someone else's tier list. So, if you enjoyed this, leave a like and subscribe. Bye.